Set the lifting pedestal selector to up. Pull the drum off the following plate at a slight angle downwards. Use ventilation pipe, if necessary. Now the empty drum can be removed from the machine. Please put the new drum centered below the following plate now. If the following plate sealing is dry, please lubricate it with the t-s-i.de lubricant, article code 9999-0002-0005. Please take care that the new drum is properly prepared. The drum preparation depends on the type of material and the packaging of the material manufacturer. Please contact us if you're not sure how to prepare the drum properly. Now please set the lifting pedestal selector to down and move the following plate into the drum, using the two-hand operation system. As soon as the following plate has passed the sensor following plate in drum, the following plate will continue moving, automatically. When the following plate arrives on top of the material, please unscrew the screw plug to vent the drum. As soon as only material and no more air comes out, you can close the screw plug again. Important: the selector for the lifting pedestal must always be in the down position during operation. Now please remove the plug of the ball valve for deaeration of the B component. Put a suitable container, for example a disposable cup, below it and open the ball valve. Now you can deaerate the pipe and piston pump by pushing the button deaeration. Please wear safety goggles, because material can splash out due to trapped air. Make sure to release all air from the system to prevent reactive material from hardening and causing damage. After this process, attach the plug again. With deaeration, the notifications drum B, drum changed and drum B, deaeration disappear, and with the new notification drum B, drum OK, the system is ready to use. Please now apply material through the material valve until there is no remaining air in the pipes and hoses.